Hello, my name is Kabir and I'm going to teach you how to make a paper plane. So, you have to have a rectangular shaped paper like this. Then, you take it like this and then you fold it to the other side.
You fold it in half.
Yeah, you fold it in half. And then you crease it very nicely with the nail of your thumb. And then, you open the crease. You see this line here? You take this corner over here and then you fold it over here. And the same thing with the other side.
Let me show it.
So this is how it should look. And then this corner up here, you should fold it all the way down here. It should look like this. Okay? You see these two sides? You take it up in this crease over here. Like this.
But don't do it like the first one.
But do not do it like the first one.
You're doing it like the first one.
Like that. Like this. It should look like this. With the crease over here in the middle.
Show Kabir, your hand is blocking. Your hand is blocking.
Now, you see this triangle here? Yep. Flip it over. Like this. Like this. Okay? Then you flip over. You fold it like this from here only. Your plane's almost ready. So this is how it should look. Then, you see these two, fold it like this. Now this is one wing. Same thing with the other side. And there you go. There is your plane.
And now, if you wanted to make a trick plane,
Two things. You have to fold this, the corner of over here, then do the same thing with the other side. And there you go. Look at your plane. It is now ready. Let's see how it goes.